Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Richard Edwards. I've been a real estate consultant here in Piedmont, Italy for 20 years. And today I have something special to show you, a chabbat. Now I can hear you probably saying, I know some Italian, but I've never heard the word chabbat. Well, strictly speaking, it's not an Italian word. It's a word from the local dialect of Piemonte, and this dialect is called Piemontese. And the word chabbat refers to a small building in a vineyard. Now, back in the 1800s, vine growers were permitted to build these small chabbat if they were more than 30 to 40 minutes walk from their home. This was before tractors and Fiat Pandas were invented. They were used for storing tools and were a place to eat and rest from the weather, and often wells were dug in them too to provide water for the vineyards. Once the tractor came along, and the Panda, they fell into disuse and ruin, but by 2003 permissions were granted to rebuild them, and they're significant historical markers in wine production. There are even tours you can take. You can walk from one to the next where food and wine are offered at each one, and one tour is called Da Chabot a Chabot, or From Chabot to Chabot. Now, some of them are even converted into small homes, and that's exactly what we have here, a piece of wine history that can be your home. Now, this one has been renovated really well. It's a great retreat or even a rental business, being located between the famous Monferrato wine towns of Canelli and Nizza Monferrato. The property is turnkey. Just move straight in, and I can tell you we've already had so many inquiries, so be very quick on this one. Let me walk you through the house. The property is located on 7,600 square meters of land or thereabouts, part of which is a vineyard. You can see it there on the left bottom of the screen. And it's a really peaceful place, not at all isolated. There's a good access road, and as I said in the introduction, it's about equal distance from Nizza and Canelli, not more than 15 minutes. There's a vegetable garden, you've got the garage for the tractor and the sit-on lawnmower, and there's also a jacuzzi tub, plenty of place for a swimming pool, and this beautiful outside area to sit in as well. This is from behind the house, the vineyard from behind the house, not included in this property, but you can see the access to the bedroom here. We'll come to that in a moment. You can see that everything is in great condition. The roof, windows, shutters, it's all pristine condition. So on the first floor, we have this beautiful kitchen. And as already said, it can be bought with everything that's here. And then from the kitchen, we come into a small storage area and laundry. You can see those tiny washing machine and dryer there. And then there's the bathroom. I wasn't able to take video because the owner had stored a load of stuff in between me taking pictures and video. But you've got the idea there. Then from behind the house, we go up this stairway and we enter the bedroom, the sleeping area. And here you have this good-sized bedroom with this fantastic view. It's got the terrace, the balcony, so there's a great view onto the land around, and you have the bathroom next door to this. There's no property overlooking, you're only in the far distance, and it really is a beautiful place. Outside dining area, and there is permission to build a garage, and you can also put a pool here as well. Here's the bathroom. Got a bath, shower, marble wash basin. And this is a sort of little kitchenette just in the entranceway. So you've got a fridge there. And then this is the terrace on the side of the house. And again, it's very beautiful and all in great condition. The pizza oven can be included in the sale. If you've seen the description, there are two prices. Let's just have a quick look in the nearby town of Nizza Monferrato. It was a particularly hot day, so there weren't so many people out. But it is a busy tourist town. Not super busy, but vibrant. And that's the property. More details on my website. So what did you think? I'm sure you agree it's a really beautiful, impressive property. There are more details on my website. You can find the link in the description below. Please get in touch because, like I said at the beginning, for sure this one will sell very, very quickly. The market is really strong at the moment for houses between 200,000 and 1 million. The market is really strong here in Piemonte. A lot of foreign buyers still investing here despite all the world's problems. So don't be slow, get in touch. I've also got this one to show you. This one's for around the same price and is a beautiful property. It's actually in my town of Cisterna d'Asti, and the owners converted it into 2 apartments. So it's a great rental property. It's a nice location. It's a great town. And again, you can find details on my website for that one. Thanks again for watching. More videos coming very soon. It's very hot here at the moment. It's around 34 degrees today. So it's not so easy to get out there and make videos and do all these things, but I promise we'll keep on working, and we've got some really impressive things coming in for sale. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click that like button if you enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.